morning, friends. On the platform of Ethic IS, we are trying to introduce lots of innovative ideas to make the learning smooth and effective. In today's topic for discussion, we are trying to start one of the important concepts in history that is called as Sufism. And Sufism is basically one of the important religious reform movement in Islamic context. And in Islam, Sufism is trying to evolve into the concept of purification as well as system of reform in the religion. We try to produce some of the important features of Sufism. One of the important concepts of Sufism can be called as fana. Fana is basically a type of annihilation. We call them as a annihilation. When a person is trying to evolve himself or themselves for Almighty, and in the sake of Almighty, the person destroys himself and his beliefs for ultimate truth. That is called as fana. Similarly, one of the important concepts of Sufism can be called as unity of being. Can be called as unity of being. The person or the Sufi saints are trying to imbibe the concept where they are highly connected towards the God. And ultimately, Sufism believes in the concept that called as Ba Shara as well as Pe Shara. Ba Shara and Pe Shara are two important concepts of Sufism. Some Sufi saints believe in Quran and Quranic virtues. They are called as Bashara. And those people, those Sufi saints who have no belief in Quran and somehow they believe in different concepts than the Quran, they are referred as Beshara. So some Sufi saints, they believe in Quran and the rituals of Quran. And some Sufi saints did not believe in Quran as a form of authority. They have some new ideas and they have some new dimensions as well. They are all part of Sufism and Sufi saints. Similarly, Sufism is trying to imbibe the concept of purity. Purity, living in simplicity. Normally, all Sufi saints, or almost all Sufi saints, they practice the concept of purity and they are willing to serve humanity as a whole. They don't want to create a gap between society. They promote social equality, they promote humanity, and they believe in composite culture for India as well. And I hope this topic will be relevant for you. Thanks for watching.